Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the clamp function in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So I'll just create one simple project. Just browse it to the downloads folder. I'll select the downloads folder. I'll just name it as demo. Feel free to name it whatever you feel like. Let's just wait. Here I'll just create one 2D scene. This is just a parent scene which I will be creating. I'll just do Command S to save it. Now what I'll do, I'll create one more scene. It will be an area 2D because I want to move the object on the x direction, so that on the x-axis, so that you can understand it better. Then I will just create a sprite 2D, and here I'll create one collision shape 2D as well. Just move it a little. Okay, so here inside sprite 2D I'll just drag and drop the Godot icon which is present by default. And for collision shape I'll just select this new rectangle shape, and again here I'll just drag and drop this particular stuff. Okay, I'll just do Command S to save this. Okay, then I'll attach one script to this as well. I'll create two input actions quickly. So just go to project settings, input, and here I'll just add a left action and a right action. Then I'll just click on this plus button for left. I'll click on the left icon, left keyboard key, and here I'll just click on the right keyboard key. Okay, I think I press shift. I want the right key. Okay, I'll click on OK. Then I'll do is I'll just come to the script and I'll override something, func process. So this is the method which we override. Now typically whenever you want to move it, suppose on the x-axis, you will use input.isAction, press left input and then change the position x, right? But there is a better way. What you can do is you can use this movement variable. Okay, it is of type float, and here I will just do input dot get underscore axis, and here you can actually pass what all things we want. So we have left as well as right, so these are the two things which I want. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll just do position dot x equal to clamp f. Now if you see the clamp f function, here you can see it takes the speed, then it takes the min value, and it takes the max value. So suppose the speed is 42, right, but the mean value is 1, max value is 20, but so it will assign 20 to a. Suppose this is minus 10, but the mean value is minus 1, max value is 1, so it will assign minus 1 even though the value of speed is minus 10. So you get to define a range of values, and it won't exceed that particular value. So here first I can just do position dot x. Okay, and so we need to define position dot x, right? So I'll just do position dot x plus equal to 200, so that I can move it on the left hand side or the right hand side, and here I'll just multiply it by delta as well, and here we'll multiply it by moment depending on what key the user presses. So here we are passing position dot x, then we need to define the max and min value, right? The mean and max value. So first what I can just do is I don't need to hard code the values. The width of the device or our game can be anything, so I can just do get viewport rect dot position dot x and comma, and for the second thing I'll just do get viewport rect dot end dot x. Okay, so this should help us. Again, I'll just go back to our main scene, and I will just include our area 2D as well over here, and I'll just run our application. I'll select the current scene, and here you can see I'm okay. I'll just so that you guys can see it clearly, I'll just move this over here. Okay, I'll just run this now, and here you can see if I'm moving it to the right, and here you can see it is not able to go off the screen with the help of the clamp f function. Again, I'll just do the same thing over here as well on the left hand side. Here you can see if you want to make it something like this, you can play around with this value as well. So maybe you over here for the start and end, maybe you can add or subtract some constant value like 20, 30. So you can just play around with those values depending on how big your object is, area 2 days or whatever you are using in your case. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.